Today, we're exploring a highly discussed topic in modern security research: FUD Crypter techniques, and the evolution of Crypter 2026 within authorized penetration testing environments. This presentation focuses on how encryption and obfuscation, commonly analyzed as in FUD Crypter solutions, are evaluated by security professionals to test detection capabilities and improve defensive strategies. Disclaimer: this content is intended strictly for educational and informational purposes. The misuse of any FUD crypto-related tools or techniques for illegal, unethical, or unauthorized activities is strictly prohibited. Let's get started. We begin by selecting the file intended for controlled testing. Next, we choose an injection method appropriate for the specific test scenario. At this stage, optional configurations are adjusted to reflect real-world threat simulations commonly reviewed in FUD Crypter 2026 research. For testing accuracy, a private stub configuration is selected to minimize false positives during analysis once all parameters are finalized. The output file is generated. The encrypted file is now ready for evaluation. In a controlled environment, Step 2 involves scanning the output file to assess detection. As demonstrated, the file achieves a fully undetected status within this test setup, an outcome often examined when studying modern FUD Crypter behavior and defensive countermeasures. For more in-depth tutorials, cybersecurity insights, and discussions around topics like FUD Crypter 2026, subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram community. Important links can be found in the comments section. Stay safe, stay ethical, and continue advancing your cybersecurity journey.